everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make some poppy seed muffins that are so moist and so easy to make. Let's get started. Here are all the ingredients. I suggest taking them out of the fridge for a little bit before starting. I put the sugar in a bowl and I grate in the zest of a small lemon or half of a lemon depending of how intense you want the citrus aroma to be in the muffins. I am personally all for the lemony taste. I rub it into the sugar so that the zest releases its essential oil, and then I add the soft butter. I used an electric whisk to speed up the process, but you could also do it by hand if you prefer. Beat it up until it's nice and fluffy. Then drop in 2 eggs and whisk them up. I gradually add in the milk and then the all-purpose flour with also 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I like to sift it to avoid any clumps. I mix in the first half and then the other half of the flour. Don't overbeat the batter, just make sure that the flour is well incorporated, and then I added also a teaspoon of vanilla extract that I think always goes really well with this type of muffins. And last but not least, the poppy seeds. I mix them in gently with a spatula and the batter is ready. I use these muffin liners, but if you don't have them, don't worry, just butter the tins and pour the batter directly in it. It will work just fine. I use this ice cream scoop to pour the batter in, and depending on the size of the tins, you may get 6 to 8 muffins. Awesome, now we're ready to bake them in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. I baked mine for exactly 22 minutes, but this might change based on your oven. And the muffins are ready to be enjoyed. They're so soft and perfectly moist. You can eat them as they are, or you can decorate them with a simple icing that I made by simply mixing 3 tablespoons of icing sugar with half a tablespoon of milk or water. I drizzle it on top and here they are. Honestly, they are among my favorite muffins. So good. Well, thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for new weekly videos. Ciao, ciao!